It's the fucking beginning. She's just kind of stupid though. Look at the spring or something. Alright, so here it is. At least what's left of it. 1981 Datsun 280Zx. The Boston Child Z car. And this is it. So when I bought it, it was in pieces. There's fenders over there, bits and bobs. This is the valve cover, and I'm planning on polishing it up and getting it nice and shiny. I know the valves are a little dirty as well. You can't see it. Oh, I'm stupid. The valves are hella dirty. Clean that off a little bit. Get it just somewhat shiny. Pretty much intact, I would say. Just a lot of pieces still left in it. Yeah, it's a nice doo-doo brown 5-speed tranny. I'm gonna either keep the stock wheels and widen the keep the stock wheels and kind of pull it out a little bit. Yeah, this is the rear hatch. This is just pieces of the rear interior, not the actual interior. This is the front bumper. The rear bumper is still on it. Probably gonna tuck that or probably delete it actually. Gonna turn it into kind of like a safari rally build. It's gonna be nice. This is it, bro. Oops. Fuck. My bad. Driver's seat is a little tattered, but it's alright. Not too crazy. Probably get it cleaned up soon. Yeah, this is it. I'm like 6'2"-ish, and it's plenty of room. I could actually go further forward and still be comfortable driving it. Might be a little tight, but still be comfortable going up on it. It's driver focused for sure. All these gauges are like turned towards me. Part that I saw in the interior, I don't know why this is fascinating to me, but for this wipers in the front, you know, you got the regular speeds, but when you want to add water, it's like this little twist knob right here for like how much water, I guess. I don't know, it's just weird. I thought it was cool as fuck. I'm just geeking out over that for a while. This one has the R12 AC, so I doubt I'll have AC for a while. I think there's like a conversion, some shit. That's way down the line. But it's pretty roomy, like it's a nice hatchback sort of setup. This is the whip, bro. It's got all tan interior pretty much, except for the dash, the steering wheel, console and shit. Pretty much all tan, like it's, and I don't mind it. I have an the E30 is also tan on the inside, which I'm in the process of. I'm in the process of changing the interior color, at least the carpets for now. I'm painting the carpets, but this one, it seems better on this for some reason. The tan and the brown kind of go together a bit better than like tan and black on the E30. Vents and shit. Glove box, nice and 80s type of glove box. And yeah, it's gonna be lit. Stay tuned. Hey guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Follow my other build, my E30 build. There's a playlist on my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what I did wrong, what I need to improve on, what I did right. Probably this much. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more of the 280 and follow the build. I got parts on the way. So yeah.